I can easily tell about you if I meet the people in your social circle, because you are the sum of 5 people around you. If you want to achieve your goals in your life, it is very important for you to get connected with the people who have right mindset. So in this video, instead of telling you about the people who have right mindset, whom you have to connect, I will tell you about the people who have wrong mindset and you have to walk away from them. Because you can't bring up anyone until they want to. But in this world, negativity is much stronger than positivity. So a negative person can easily brings you down, but you can't bring up any negative person up until they want to. So let's talk about the people who have wrong mindset and you have to stay away from them. First, the peoples who don't think big. These are the peoples who don't have big dreams, don't want to achieve something big in their life, because they are in the environment, they are coming from the environment in which they learn how to be in a comfort zone and how to live a normal life, how to live as a average person. They are coming from these type of environments. So you always have to stay away from these type of people who don't think big, don't have big plans, big dreams, because they can destroy your mindset also. Second, the peoples who don't want to take any risk. These are the peoples who are totally in their comfort zone and they don't want to leave it, and though they don't want to come out of their comfort zone and don't want to take any risk. They don't want to do any type of business and they always show their negativity in front if they are facing any sort of opportunity. When they see any opportunity, they shows their negativity because they don't want to get out of their comfort zone. They are comfortable with it. So you always have to stay away with the people who don't want to do any sort of business and don't want to take any risk. Third, the peoples who don't want to go alone. They always follow the public. They don't have independent thought process. They make their decision according to the public. They always do the same thing. If someone is going in a left direction, then they also go in a left direction. They don't know why they are going, but they go because everyone is going in that direction. So if you want to have independent thought process, you have to walk away from these type of people who follow the public, don't have guts to go alone. You have to stay away from them. Let's get to the fourth point. They are fearful to change. As I already told you, they are in their comfort zone, and if something new come to them and something new type of opportunity come to them, they become very fearful because they don't want to change. If now this is a technology era, now new opportunities are coming and all opportunities are going. Now jobs are shifting from one sector to another sector. Jobs are doing almost every job who don't need any sort of creativity, who don't need any sort of critical thinking. Now jobs are shifting, but those people who are very fearful to change, now thinking that technology is going to reject them and going to disable their job. But they don't know if they learn something new, if they learn how to operate robot, if they learn machine skills, if they learn something new skills, then their jobs are not going anywhere, just shifting from one sector to another. But those people who are very fearful to change, who don't want to learn something new, are going to destroy. They don't want to get anything. Let's talk about our fifth point. They are so negative with the people who think big. They always surrounded with negativity, and they always show negativity. When someone shows their opinions and share with them their thoughts, plans and dreams, they show their negativity, because they are coming from those type of environment in which they learn how to not get out of comfort zone, how to not achieve something big, how to not dream something big, because they are coming from that type of environment. So you have to stay away with the people who always show their negative opinions when you share your thoughts with them, plans with them. Because as I already told you, a positive person in this world, a positive person can't bring any negative person up, but a negativity is more stronger than positivity, so a negative person can bring any positive person down. So now you have to keep these 5 points in your mind. Stay away from the people who don't think big and they don't want to take any risk. They are very fearful to change. They follow the public. They don't have any guts to go alone, and they are so negative with the people who think big. If you have anything in your mind, let me know in the comment. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and tap the notification bell icon.